Good morning. I don't know how close you are to my face, but good morning. Don't look at my dirty hair. All right, it's 7:32 in the morning. Today is Tuesday the 17th. I'm about to go for a walk with my sister. She's out walking the dogs right now. But yeah, I have today and tomorrow off. So I may vlog tomorrow as well, not sure, we'll see. But I'm just hanging out today. Gonna hang out with my stepdad. My friends coming over later. So I don't know, I just figured I would vlog. And yeah, here's the start of it. All right, so it is now 8:20, I think it was like 8:28. And I'm just gonna change real quick. I was gonna shower, I should shower, but we only went for like a 30-minute walk and I like didn't even sweat. I'm just trying to justify it, it's fine. I am gonna wash my face and everything like that though and then get changed. And then I'm gonna head over to my parents' house because I'm meeting my stepdad. And then, he has to do a quick, job. And then from there, we're gonna go get lunch or brunch. I don't know, depending on the time. So, yeah. Okay, I made it. And look who I'm with. Alright, so we're about to head out. I don't know, my stepdad went to go grab something. There he is. And now we're gonna go on the bike. I tried to put on some headgear and stuff, but it wouldn't work. Not with the gear, the motorcycle gear. So, right, are we ready?
Ready, ready. Like Freddy, eating spaghetti.
Dad jokes.
Yes.
So, I didn't bring my vlog camera, I left it on the bike because we're at my stepdad's job. He owns his own business. He installs like TVs and stuff. It's much more elaborate than I'm making it sound, I swear. But we're at this super nice beach house for this old man. And obviously, like I said, I wasn't gonna vlog inside of his house because that's weird. So that's another reason I didn't bring my vlog camera. But this is literally his backyard is the beach. Like he has his own private boardwalk. I don't know if you can see it in the back. That's his house. Right there. Right there. I'm trying not to be like too obvious because there's workers in there too. But this is so nice. I'm gonna show you my view, okay? Look! I love the beach and it's so beautiful. I haven't been on the beach in so long. I will say though, if you're from North Florida, tell me how weird it is that you can have your car on the beach. I don't like that, but that's okay. Like look. So beautiful, but weird. Weird. Cars on the beach. It's alright. Ocean is beautiful. But yeah, so that's what's going on now. Oh, that lady. That's her car. She probably heard me talking about it. Anyways, it's like closer to 11:30. So after this, we're gonna go grab some lunch in New Smyrna Beach, which is a little bit away, not too far. But so, yee, it's so beautiful. I wish I had my bathing suit on. But anyways, I will catch up with you soon. We are at Outriggers Tiki Bar and Grill. Wayne just made lots of money. So we're just getting some lunch. It's now, oh my gosh, 1:05. That guy took forever, but it was a big house. So now we're just deciding
Just a couple minutes on your triangles. Yeah. Do you guys have any questions about lunch?
Triangles?
No. Yeah, that's what they call it.
The triangles. I think it's, I don't know. Oh, tuna triangles. Yep. Boop, boop, boop. These are so good. They're amazing. I had one with the pita bread, even though I shouldn't have, but I did. But I'm gonna be good and not eat the bread after this. Try it. It's amazing. So, it's got ahi tuna. I think that's guac or something. And then the bread. But like I said, I'm being good and not eating. I just ate the one. Just the one. Good, right?
Delish.
And then I'm gonna get, the barbecue Cuban sandwich just without the bread. And then I can do a side of steamed broccoli. Wayne still has to decide. Come on, Wayne.
Decisions.
A mess. Look
Wow,
at
this
that.
looks so good. Ah.
How is it? This is mine. Don't worry, not gonna eat the bread. We'll dismantle everything. The broccoli's so good. Need some pepper. Look how pretty. Oh, there he is, taking photos. This is the back side of where we just were eating. Look at these fancy boats. So nice. Oh, I guess we could walk that way.
Huh?
We can walk that way.
Yeah, that boat's not here.
Oh, that.
Yeah,
There's a $6
it
million
usually set right down there
boat.
where that big one sits on the very end.
He's gone, but
Yeah,
that's
it's a
where he
lot
is.
bigger than
These are nice boats. I don't know if people really want their boats on camera, but alright, it's just going in the tube. Grand Slam. It is bedtime. That's fun. New Smyrna Beach, Daytona. Anyways, we're about to head home now. And then I need to text my friend and see if she's gonna come over so I can practice makeups on her. But yeah, I think I probably will vlog tomorrow though, because I think I'm gonna lay out by their pool. So he's gonna be working, but my mom's gonna get home early in the morning. So yeah, it'll be a good time.
See how they stop.
I know. Oh. Oh my god.
Right.
All right. See you back on the bike. Alright guys, so it is now 8:32. It is quite some time later. Oh my god, I hate this thing. It freaking moves. But yes, it is quite some time later. After I left my parents' house, came home, showered, ate dinner, did some homework, and then my friend came over so I could do practice doing my custom makeover on her, because we're doing custom makeover certifications on next Tuesday for Sephora. So I literally got home, was trying to come down from the day because I had been going all day, and then my friend came over, so I was trying to be pepping it back up so I could do that, and I've just been going all day, so I'm so exhausted. But now I'm about to finish up the last 10 minutes of my homework, edit my vlog from this weekend, go to bed, and then I will pick back up here tomorrow morning. So yeah, not goodbye for now, but see you in a minute in the morning. Good morning. So it is actually 10:14 in the morning. I got up around 7 and I took the dogs for a walk and I did a little bit of yoga, but then I ended up taking a 2-hour nap because I was just so exhausted. So, but then I like just got up like 15 minutes ago and I was like, okay, I'm ready to do stuff. So I'm just cleaning up the kitchen, feeding the dogs. I'm gonna try to do homework today too, and then I was gonna go hang out at my mom's house, but she has been delayed. So her flight has been delayed, so she's not gonna get home until way later. So I guess I'm just gonna hang out around here, and then I do have a couple of errands to run. So yeah, that's all. Okay, it is 12:37 right now. I went out to run errands, and as you saw by the title, I rear-ended somebody, literally like 6 minutes outside of my neighborhood, and I was like I was shaking because I was so scared. Everything ended up being completely fine. The lady was so nice, and like both of our cars were literally like perfectly intact. So like it was totally fine, but oh my God, I was like, afterwards, I was just praying to God. I was like, thank you, God. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for keeping my car intact, for keeping her car intact, letting her be okay. Girl, oh, I was just trying to run errands. This is what happens when you try to leave the house. See? But anyways, as you can tell, I'm back home now, and I'm about to have some lunch, and then hopefully my sister gets off at 2. Because, I mean, I'm going to do homework after this. I'm, like, actually going to be productive, so. But anyways. Alright, hopefully you can see me. It's literally, like, I don't even know, like 20 minutes later. But I'm doing homework now, or I'm about to. I'm watching some Man About Cake. If you don't watch Man About Cake, you should. It's really fun if you like cooking and baking shows. Oh, I switched on my laundry and I uploaded a vlog. So check that out if you haven't already. I'm going to leave it in the description box down below of this vlog. And yeah. Yay. All right. So it's 2:10 now. I just thought I'd give you guys, like I said, an update. I'm folding laundry now. So I'll probably insert a time lapse of that. But yeah, I'm almost done with my 3rd thing of homework out of 4 that's due this week. So I'm doing real well. All right, I'm gonna take the dogs out here too after I fold laundry and then finish my homework. And then, I don't know, maybe I'll start editing this. That might be nice. So, but yeah. Come here. You're fine. Come here. You want me to try? Yes. Ready? Here you go. So cute. Do you like your dress? Don't be shy for the camera. Put it down. Okay. Look! You're so cute. Are you a pretty girl? an outfit back on you. Yeah. You're welcome. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna sit right here for a second. It is now 8:08. It's 6:48. My sister came home and we ate dinner and just kind of hung out. So I'm so sorry that today was a lot more uneventful than I thought it was gonna be, because I thought I was gonna be hanging out at my parents' house at the pool and with my mom. But that's all right, because I feel like I got a good bit of footage yesterday anyways, and honestly, sometimes that's just how life is. It doesn't always go the way you plan, and sometimes it's just chill. It'd be like that sometimes. Right? Right. Yeah. So, now I'm just gonna get in the shower and get ready for bed. I'll probably work on a little bit more homework tonight, but I'm not gonna stay up too terribly late because I have to be at work early in the morning. So, yeah, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I always appreciate it. And yeah, if you want to keep up with me daily instead of weekly, you can always follow me on my Instagram, which I always have linked down below. It is just Mekala Viernes, and that is it. Say we'll see you guys next time. Oh, I was thinking about filming a skincare routine, so let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like to see my skincare routine. All right, that's it. Bye.